in slippery sources for more information. Alberta Falls is inviting everyone to share.
We'll soon be underwater. Sorry, underway. Underwater was my last boat. But you know what? It's all beneath me. Behind me. Sorry, behind me. Oh, what's going on with me today? I'm so sorry. Alright, yeah, you can take a seat right there. You have the VIP seating. Woo, VIP. View is pathetic. Alright, we have permission to hit something. Turn around. Wave goodbye to all those beautiful people on the dock. See you in 3 weeks. No, just kidding. We will never see them again. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. Let's try that one more time. Welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Skipper Chris. I will be your skipper for as far as we get. Just a few things. Please remain seated. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And please keep an eye on your children and belongings. If your children or belongings fall out of the boat, please raise your hand. And then I'll raise my hand, and then we'll both wave goodbye. Yeah. Alright, well, here we have the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where Dr. Indiana Jones is seeking for the world's greatest treasure. He's not going to find anything in there, though. I'm standing right here. Yeah, over here we have bamboo. Now, did you know bamboo can grow up to 6 stories high? I always thought it was 7, but that's a whole nother story. Whoa, don't make any sudden movements. That's an Indo-Chinese tiger right over there. Yeah, fun fact, the tiger can jump over 30 feet. But don't worry, we're 15 feet away. He'll jump right over our heads. Like most of my jokes. Whoa, careful with Ginger. Yeah, Ginger's one tough cookie. I hear he snaps. That's a crummy joke, but I like to milk it. Oh, here we have the concrete evidence that we'll probably see elephants. Probably. Oh wow, look at that. Elephants. Yeah, we got the whole herd out here today. I hear that's unheard of. And look at that. Yeah, feel free to stare, take photos. It's not weird. They have their trunks on. Over here we have Bertha. Everybody say hi, Bertha. She's been in the shower for 68 years. I hear that's how you turn yourself into an elephant. Not kidding. Almost happened to me. No, I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Down squirt. No, down squirt, down squirt. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, she's coming back up. Duck, duck. Goose. I gotcha. Don't worry, I would never put us in any real danger. Whoa. That looked dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh wow, look at these monkeys going absolutely bananas. And this one down here, he has a gun! He has a gun! Duck! Duck! No, just kidding. He's just calling the shots around here. The ones back there, they're stealing all the stuff. They must be outlaws. They look like my in-laws. Identical, really. Oh, look at another gorilla. A greedy gorilla. You don't see that every day. I do. Hey, how's it hanging? Oh, here we got Schweitzer Falls, named after my boss, Albert Falls. And we're heading straight for it. Ah! Lean! Lean! Those in the back! Duck! Duck! Goose. I'm a jokester, a trickster, but you can trust me, right? You all trust me? Oh, wow, look over here, look. It's absolutely nothing. But up ahead, that's the Nile River, the longest river in the world. It's about 4,000 miles long. Yeah, and we're surrounded by the majestic African bull elephants. Do you know what makes them African bull elephants? Because we're in Africa. Yeah, here they have really great memory. Keep that in mind. I wish I had great memory. We have entered the African belt. It's okay if you don't know these animals right up ahead. I will name them for you. You see those right there? Those are called striped horsies. Those are called hairy horsies. And those tall ones back there, what are those called? Trees. Yeah, they're called trees. And the one down here is dead. Tired, sorry, dead tired. Let him rest in peace. Oh no, down there's Skipper Felix. I told him to stay in his boat. He did not listen, so now he's learning a lesson. Rhinos always get their point across. In the end. Oh dear, don't make that weird. Whoa! Dear. What? In the jungle, that's crazy. Oh, here we have a lot of plants. I will point them out for you. We took the wrong turn. We have entered the swimming pool. Hippos, come here, yes, I'm gonna scale them off. I love you. I want a committed relationship. Look at that, scared of a stiff works every time. Every time, folks. We're going to have a girlfriend. Anyways. Speaking of my last girlfriend, she came up to me the other day. She said, Chris, your job is so easy. A monkey could do it. Yeah, I was very offended. We all know monkeys could never do my job. Oh. Jokes on her, those are apes. Alrighty. Well, ahead we have two of my favorite chimps in the world. The other one down here, that one is called magnifying glass. You know why we call him that? Because that's his name. And the one up there, that's Annette. We call her that because she's quite the catch. Always full of butterflies, but you know what they say, butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Oh wow, folks, look over here. You'll see really closely. It's absolutely nothing. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the backside of water! O2H, O2H, O2H. You get H2O2, okay. I'm sorry, I make chemistry jokes periodically. If you're not intrigued, here's the ninth wonder of the world. Look into the water, you will see the ninth wonder of the world. It's your reflection. Alright, well here we have the front side of a rock. One of the more bolder attractions here in the jungle. A lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's rock solid. Alright, well here we have a big old anaconda sitting on a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes a constricting relationship. I would not recommend. Don't ask how I know, but I hear she'll get a crush on you. It's quite breathtaking. Oh, here we have Trader Sam's gift shop where all lost items are sold. A little duckling date night for the ducks. Smiles, they choose for the camera. Don't worry, we don't pay him to do that. He just does it for the exposure. Now here's Ellie. Ellie, tell us a joke. Oh, he blew it. I gotta say, out of all my boats, you guys have been the most recent. No, just kidding. No, just kidding. You guys have been outstanding, truly outstanding. But in a little bit, I'm gonna need you all outstanding somewhere else. Do we have any birthdays on board? Any birthdays on board? We have a birthday here. Let's sing a birthday song, everybody. Clap, 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 clap. Happy, happy birthday. This song is very short. Alright, just a reminder, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times so we come to a full and complete stop at the dock. Over here, if we look up ahead, that's the Tropical Hideaway, our sponsors. Yes. Feel free to go over there and wait in line for some delicious Dole Whip. Just don't wait in line for punch. There is no punch line.
Oh, you don't see that. Boat going in backwards. Going in for some servicing.
Full and complete stop at the dock. To ensure your hands don't get caught on the dock, make sure your hands are inside, or else you will experience something we call peer pressure. And you don't want that. In just a little bit, you will be helped out by two of my favorite skippers in the world. Skipper, I don't know his name, and the skipper.
We just got off of the Jungle Cruise. Now, this is one of those rides that does not have Lightning Lane or Genie Plus access, so you gotta wait in the standby line with everybody else. It did say it was a 30-minute wait, and from the time we got in line to the time we got into the boat and sat down, it was exactly 30 minutes. So that was pretty good on the timing on that one. This one's a little different than the one at Disney World. If you've been there, they don't have the inside of the cave like they do there.
Yeah.
And I think this one is quite a bit shorter, actually. Still good, though. Of course, Jungle Cruise, like always. The one in Tokyo,
Still probably the
probably the best one we've been on, I
Yeah.
would say. But you know, if you can't get over there, obviously, Disney World's
Second best.
yeah, close second, I would say. But you know, this is a classic ride, and everybody always wants to ride it. So there's something to be said for that nostalgia on there, and we will ride it every time we're here.